How can you say give me in Igbo language?
Nyem. Nyem.
How can you say give me spoon?
Nyem ngaji. Nyem ngaji.
How do you say bring spoon?
Weta ngaji. Weta ngaji.
What of bring spoon for me?
Wetaram ngaji. Wetaram ngaji.
Wash spoon.
Sa ngaji. Mobo sacha ngaji.
What about clean spoon?
Hicha ngaji. Hicha ngaji.
Take spoon.
Were ngaji. Take. Were ngaji.
Buy spoon.
Zota ngaji. Zota ngaji.
Buy spoon for me.
Zotaram ngaji. Zotaram ngaji.